For all of my friends who ask me over and over, do we use our own tools? Are we drinking our own Kool-Aid? Yes, we do. We do use our own tools, and the Kool-Aid is sweet. Our organization has positioned us as a first customer.
We are committed to using our own products.
We actually use it in real scenarios daily, and we help improve it with sending practical feedback, and we can send that directly to our product team.
It was pretty neat that we get to be the first hand experience of the product, but also adding value by providing valuable feedback, back to the product engineers.
That feedback then gets built into the product. So it's a great partnership to help us do our jobs better as well as consumers of the product.
We represent Customer Zero. We're doing it first. I have a few friends that are going to come on and talk more and show you exactly how we use our products.
We use as many of the SolarWinds products here as we can.
SolarWinds
Observability SaaS.
Incident response.
Self-hosted solution. When an issue escalates, say I spike and drop calls, the SaaS log analytic engine is my go-to place.
We've upgraded to ESM, also called as Enterprise Service Management, since October of last year. The big advantage of ESM is that end users have one central place to go for help, while each team can still have their own workflows, permissions, and visibility.
We use SolarWinds Observability.
For us, we have connected our Kubernetes cluster directly to this observability platform. So it provides us with the granular details on the pod misconfiguration, the stateful sets, the networking configurations that we have.
I have the SolarWinds self-hosted product, monitoring and watching everything that I care about. I can create an alert on hundreds of different metrics and variables.
We brought incident response on for our team as a replacement for Opsgenie. We have aggregated all of our alerts into one place, and we use incident response to notify us and also to keep track of our on-call schedules. We really like the platform. It's been a big improvement for us.
This is what Customer Zero means to us. Being our own customer is very, very important. Normally, a NOC, a SWAC, never gets a chance to collaborate with a product team. Usually it's just developed, placed out there, and you use it. But during our feedback sessions, I get to see the planning around it. I get to see the releases. I get to hear the developers talk about why they added this feature or capability. I can relate to the customer. Now, I want you to come in and so we can share ideas, our insight, our success stories, your success stories, and let's build a better product.